Welcome aboard. Now let me review the HTC Desire S. It has been a bit over 2 years since we bought it. So, does this phone hold up? And what are the changes made to it over the time? We'll find out. The phone has a curvy design, which looks pretty classy. It is absolutely rugged and does not accept damage that easily. It is really durable. It has only a bit of wear and tear over the years because of really poor handling by us. It feels comfortable to hold and has a smooth finish at the back and a rubbery feel at the bottom back part. This phone is clearly top notch. The screen is bright and brilliant. Under the sun though, it gets harder to read. And when you're operating with sweaty fingers, there seems to be slight discoloration on the screen due to the moisture on your hand, and that is annoying sometimes. But otherwise there's hardly any problem with the screen and display in general. The HTC Desire S has a 1GHz processor with 768MB RAM. It can run daily tasks smoothly and is very responsive. It can do some gaming too, though you shouldn't expect it to perform like a gaming console. And it's not really good at performing really heavy games. It boots up pretty fast and never feels like a pain to use. It does tend to heat up under more heavy use, and it is not dual core. The HTC Desire S was bundled with Android 2.3 Gingerbread, which is honestly horrible, but it is upgradable to 4.0.4, which is fine. One thing to note that after the upgrade there were quite a few undesirable changes like smaller text in the interface, which might seriously annoy a few people. But there were many desirable ones like folders and all the ice cream sandwich features, that is the 4.0 features. It comes with HTC Sense, which is mostly a boon and less of a bane. It tweaks the interface in many good ways, but can make it confusing for some who haven't used an HTC phone before. To put it into simple words, the camera is okay. It is not too brilliant, but surely above average. The photos taken from it was actually pretty good, especially with the filters that are provided with 4.0.4 ice cream sandwich. But the video recorded was a bit laggy and it wasn't satisfying in general. The HTC Desire S costed around 23,000 rupees or $350 when it released. Well, it is not officially sold, but you can find them on a few websites for a really low price. And it may actually be an option to buy if your budget is pretty low, as you end up getting the quality of HTC. I really would not mind using this smartphone for at least a few more years.